Anonymous here, update on certain YouTube channels talking about, well, one specifically anyway, talking about strange sounds, phenomena sounds from the sky. Those strange phenomena sounds are supernatural sounds. Just so you know, coming from the sky. Same with some of this really severe weather that's so crazy, it's fatal in some areas globally. Same really goes for that when it comes to supernatural. Some of that's supernatural. So, anyways, I'm gonna do my best to make a video with my radio tomorrow on this supernatural stuff, that's supernatural events globally that are coming from the sky and coming from certain weather conditions. So, besides the chemtrails program making the weather so crazy and severe globally, we also got stirred up supernatural events happening. I believe from the chemtrails program, from them. It has to do with the chemtrails, I believe, in some way. And that's what I have my radio for, to get more of real detailed, not so much detailed information, but to really pan out what's all the strange I call supernatural events, like the sounds from the sky happening. So like I said, I'm about 98 to 99% right on believing that it's from that, because of how skilled I am when it comes to supernatural stuff, especially supernatural energy, like spirit energy, ghost energy. So, they call me Anonymous for life. Hang tight, keep calm, expect me, Anonymous.